How to use YouTube restricted mode properly. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. If you want to use YouTube to filter out mature or inappropriate contents, whether for yourself, siblings, or family, restricted mode is a simple but powerful settings. Let's go through how you can use it right away. First thing you need to do is open up your YouTube application and you need to turn on restricted mode. You can do that by going over to the U section at the bottom right corner. Once you are here, find the gear icon at the top right, and then you need to find restricted mode here. Scroll down, you should find restricted mode. If you don't see it, you want to go to privacy, and you should find it here. You need to go back and go to general settings. Right here you can find restricted mode. It will help you hide potentially mature videos, and no filter is 100% accurate, so this setting only applies to the app on this device. Toggle this on. What happens next is you can lock the restricted mode. If you're using a shared device, you need to scroll down and lock the restricted mode. This will prevent others from turning it off without signing in again. The next step is to enable restricted mode on every device. It works per device as I've mentioned here. This settings only applies to this app on this device. So you need to enable it on every other device, whether it's your phone, tablet, or laptops. Then you can also use it along with supervised accounts. Restricted mode isn't perfect on its own. So for better control, you need to combine it with Google Family Link. Go to Family Center and link a supervising account. Then you can add an extra layer of content control beyond the YouTube's filter. And that's it. That's how you use restricted mode for a safer viewing. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.